Hi, we're Group 11 and we're doing subset cooling and vending machines, and that basically means that compared to a traditional vending machine, which may cool around 100 drinks at the same time, we're only going to cool maybe 1 to 2 drinks per product. And right here we have 3 products, so a door for each product. So let's say Coke, Nestea, and Sprite. And by cooling a minimum amount of drinks needed, we can minimize the amount of energy loss due to heat entering the system. And that would make the vending machine waste more energy in cooling down the system again. So subset cooling minimizes that loss by only cooling a small subset of the entire capacity of the machine.
So our implementation of this subset cooling, I'm going to open up the machine for a bit. We'll show them a bit later. So if you look inside the machine, this is just, we retrofitted into an existing vending machine. So the way this works is we got this Pac-Man-like device up here, which stores all the uncooled drinks. So this whole area from here to here is completely uncooled. From beneath here is the cooled area. So as you can see, the cooled portion is actually extremely small. And for this machine, it can hold 2 or 3 drinks in the cooled portion. So as one customer buys a drink, the portion down here is immediately refilled. So therefore, you'll save all the energy from not having to cool all the other excess drinks at the top.
Yes, the theoretical efficiency is around 80%, and that kind of correlates with how we're only cooling less than a quarter of the machine. And over here is a computer simulation. This shows a side view, and the walls are transparent so you can see inside. And this is what happens when a customer buys a drink. It will be continuously refilled from the top. So that's what the plexiglass device inside the machine is, this blue area right here.
Well, on the model, the drinks drop out, but here, well, the drinks dropping out means it's been purchased by a consumer before it's refilled. So basically, once a consumer buys a drink, it gets automatically refilled and just stores up to a maximum of 2 or 3 drinks in the cooled chamber. Now, if you were to retrofit into like a bigger vending machine, like ones used in, like the standard typical ones, the large ones, you could probably cool 10 drinks or so and leave the other 70, 80 drinks of the product uncooled, which makes it a huge energy savings. Yep. So we can actually show how this thing turns. So you can insert $1 into the machine, get $1. But once you insert money into the machine, you can open and buy a product. So once we can buy a product, it's vended, and automatically, it doesn't jam, goes on. Okay, so as a product is vended, it's just stuck here for a bit because it's, hold it. But as a product is vended, it drops from here to here. So I just bought a product here, so automatically it will get refilled into this cool chamber below, where you can buy the next drink. That's pretty much how it works.